Hi, my name is Susie Allred. This is a tutorial on storyboarding and editing, recording, and sharing with Camtasia. Many theories exist why the dinosaur became extinct. Currently, teaching has become a dinosaur, and learning how we teach needs to evolve. We know from this ever-changing world we live in that technology is changing and impacting our environment. The learning world is no longer the same. This leads us into screencasting software. But before we jump into the basics of the Camtasia software, let's talk about the prep work. In order to build a good tutorial presentation, you need to create an outline or a script of what you want to accomplish. One particular way of accomplishing this is by storyboarding or creating a picture outline. You might ask yourself, why is this important? We all need a roadmap to accomplish our goals. And storyboarding is the planning prior to doing the screencasting. It is the visual map to shape the flow of the screencast. Storyboarding allows one to be critical, to focus on the details, and refine the storyline. One can create the storyboard or script using software packages such as PowerPoint, Shop Pro, Storyboard That, Fountain, or Studio Binder, to name a few. There are many different software packages to choose from to make screencastings for instructional materials and tutorials. Active Presenter, Adobe Captive, CaptureFox, Camtasia, Screenomatic, Jing, just to name a few. Now we are going to open Camtasia on the Mac. When you open up Camtasia on the Mac, this is what the editing workspace looks like. To the left of your workspace is the Media and Effects panel. The canvas is your preview or your drawing board and shows you what your screen will look like. The bottom part of your screen shows the media clips used in your video. This is the timeline. It is organized vertically into layered tracks, with the topmost track closest to the surface on top of the canvas. Minutes are marked horizontally from left to right. You can drag media onto the timeline, and you can drag clips within the timeline to change when they appear. You can lock a track so it isn't affected when you edit, or click on the eye so you can't see it. The playhead in the timeline tells you the location in the video. To the left and right of the playhead is a green handle, and on the right of the playhead a red handle. By selecting these over the media, you can use the scissors and clip the media or edit the media. To play or pause the preview, hit the space bar on the keyboard. The Tools panel holds recording files and other imported media, images, audio, or video. You click on the plus symbol in the bottom left corner. This will enable you to easily add files or select File, Import, Media. Tool panel also has lots of cool things like transitions, behaviors, annotations, and animations. You can add transitions to two pieces of media that touch each other on the timeline. The Tools panel has many things to explore. The next thing to learn is how to record in Camtasia. The Record button is on the top left corner. It's red and it says Record. Once you hit the Record button, another dialog box will appear. Recording won't start immediately. The first box is to select a region you want to record by drawing crosshaired box on the screen. The second box is for FaceTime. The third box is the microphone, so two tracks will always be recorded for your timeline if sound is included. And the fourth box is system audio, which means sound from your computer. To start recording, click the red Start Recording button. You will see a countdown and the recording will begin. You have the option to use the Apple menu. A little Camtasia video icon appears. To stop the recording, you can either use this little icon or you can use Option Command 2. Now you can drag the recording to your timeline. The last thing you need to do is share the video. The green button that says Share on the right side of the workspace will publish your video to a multitude of places using different methods. The easiest way to share a video is to host it on a streaming service such as YouTube. And that concludes my presentation. Thanks for joining me today.